Hello everyone, this is Tammy from Lady Lighting. Happy to see you again here. As we all know, LED aluminum profile is used with LED strip, which are widely used in projects such as cabinet lighting, kitchen lighting, showbox lighting, and so on. Are you confused about how to install LED strip on LED aluminum profile? Don't worry, we will get the answer from today's video. Normally, our complete profile consists of one aluminum case, one cover, and two end caps. Okay, let's go ahead. First of all, we need to remove the 3M adhesive tape on the back and stick the strip inside the groove of the profile. Next, press the PC cover on the profile. And last, we put the end cap on both ends. Now we installed it well completely. Let's light it up. Alright, that's for today. Thanks for your time to watch. More details, please follow our YouTube channel or send us email. See you next time. Bye!